Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In Madrid, a 1950s house is adorned with color. Second-hand furniture, inherited pieces, and mosaics. The Nula.Studio agency has reinterpreted this old house under the motto Preserve, Recover, Fill. Located in the heart of Madrid, this house, built in the 1950s with its singular details but dark and compartmentalized, with false ceilings and black woodwork, has been transformed into an open, bright and colorful space, with a personality as marked and welcoming as that of its owner, who likes to recover old objects that have a life, from clothes to furniture, and of course, her own home.